Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Craft and Cook with me. If you have still not yet subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. Today's video is naatikolisaaru or country's chicken curry. Here I have taken 2 kg of chicken which is well washed with the turmeric and the salt. Now light up the gas stove and place a whistle on it and add up to 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Now add 1 sliced onion to the vessel. Fry it until it turns to golden brown color. Now to this add the 2 kg of chicken and saute it. Saute it occasionally with a time gap of 5 minutes. Again saute it. Now add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and some crystal salt. Again mix it. At this time, the chicken starts slowly to release water from it. Cover it with a plate and let it to simmer. Keep the flame at low to medium. For the preparation of masala, I have taken 1 handful of coriander, 3 sliced onion, 2 to 3 inch of ginger, a handful of garlic cloves and some common spices, 1 grated coconut and 3 to 4 tablespoons of coriander powder. As the quantity of the ingredients is more, I am grinding it separately. In the jar, I have taken coriander, ginger, garlic, onion and common spices. Grind it separately by adding a little bit of water. Now take this mixture into a separate bowl. As I said before, the quantity is much more, so I am grinding it separately. Now add the grated coconut and the coriander powder to the jar. Again add a little amount of water and grind it to a paste. Again saute the simmering chicken. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. Again mix it. Now add the ground masala. Saute it so that it well combines. Add water to the jar and again pour it. Add water as per your consistency. Here I am adding approximately 4 to 5 glasses of water. If you want more thicker, you can add a water little bit less. If you want it more thinner, you can add more amount of water. This is the consistency. Let it boil. Now the yummy naatikolisaaru is ready to serve. If you have the sambar with a ragi mudde, the taste is next level. Try it once at your home. If you like the recipe, please subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.